so it's time for a story. Has anybody ever had a pet fish? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. You have? Has anybody ever seen the movie Finding Nemo?
Yeah.
Well, we're about to watch that right now. So here we go.
Movie time?
2 hours later.
Did everybody like that movie?
Yes.
Okay. Well, now we're going to read a story called A Place for Fish. The author is Melissa Stewart, and the illustrator is Higgins Bond. Now, does someone know a difference between a human and a fish? Yes, Jill.
Fishes live underwater.
Yes, they do. Anybody else? Yep.
They have fins.
They do. All right, well, we're going to get started. A Place for Fish. Fish make our world a better place, but sometimes people do things that make it hard for them to live and grow. If we work together to help these special creatures, there will always be a place for fish. Is there a fish on this page that reminds you of one of the characters from Finding Nemo?
The yellow one.
Yeah, right. Okay. For fish to survive, they need to stay safe and healthy. Many sharks die when they accidentally get trapped in fishing nets. When scientists learn where sharks live and people agree not to fish in those places, sharks can live and grow. Can you find a possible solution to stop catching sharks in fishing nets? Yes, Jill.
Put a camera underwater.
You could. That's a great idea. Does anyone else have an idea? Yes?
You can stop using fishing nets.
You could. Some fish are harmed by the chemicals power plants produce when they burn coal to make electricity. When people find other ways to make electricity, fish can live and grow. Would this information be useful if you had a pet fish or decided to go fishing? Yeah? Some fish have trouble surviving when farmers use chemicals to make crops grow bigger and stronger. When farmers and scientists find new ways to improve crops, fish can live and grow. Everybody see it okay? Good. Some fish are so beautiful that people like to keep them as pets. When people stop catching these colorful creatures, fish can live and grow. How is overfishing fish similar to hunting deer? Overhunting deer. Yes, Aubry could go extinct. They could, you're right. Some fish have unusual body parts that people like to collect. When laws stop people from selling the special body parts, fish can live and grow. What type of special body parts of fish do people sell? Does anybody know? Yeah?
Teeth.
Yeah? Like shark's teeth?
Like that nose thing.
Yeah, the nose. It's like a saw. Some fish can't survive when people add new kinds of fish to rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. When people stop dumping pet goldfish into local waters, native fish can live and grow. What do you think could happen if humans did not add fish to rivers and dams where they do not belong? Some fish wouldn't die. That's right. Do you have another idea, Jill? No? Same thing? Right. Some fish taste so delicious that people catch and eat too many of them. When scientists, chefs, and lawmakers work together, fish can live and grow. What types of questions can you ask a fisherman to protect the fish population?
Can I go with you?
Anyone else?
Do you release the fish?
That's a good one. All right. What is your favorite type of fish to eat? Yes?
Salmon.
You like salmon. Anybody else? Fish sticks. Yep, fish sticks are good too. What do you think would happen if fish were to go extinct?
There'd be no more fish sticks.
There wouldn't be any more fish sticks. All right, well, we'll see. Maybe they'll talk about it later in the book. Fish also have trouble surviving when their natural homes are destroyed. Some fish can only live near coral reefs. When people work to protect coral reefs, fish can live and grow. Those are some cool fish, huh? Sometimes farmers drain water from rivers and lakes so their animals will have enough to drink, but that can make it hard for fish to survive. When farmers find ways to use less water, fish can live and grow. When workers build roads through forests and cut down trees, dirt washes into nearby streams. Sand and soil fills in spaces between rocks where fish hide from enemies. When people work to protect natural places, fish can live and grow. Why do fish need places to hide from their enemies?
So they don't die.
Yeah, that's a good reason, huh? We build dams to control the flow of water along rivers and streams, but the dams make it hard for fish to swim from place to place. When people remove dams, fish can live and grow. When too many fish die, other living things may also struggle to survive. That's why it's so important to protect fish in the places where they live. Why would other animals have trouble surviving without fish?
And then they wouldn't need it.
Yeah, they wouldn't have anything to eat. Good job.
Starving.
Good job, Joe. Fish have lived on Earth for more than 450 million years. Sometimes people do things that can harm fish, but there are many ways you can help these special creatures live far into the future. How many ways can we help fish live and grow?
A lot.
A lot, yeah. Can anybody think of one of the ways?
Not overfishing.
That's a good one. Anyone else?
Not putting them in rivers and dams where they don't belong.
That's a good one too. All right. And that is it. Now, can anybody tell me what the main idea of the book is? Yes.
To tell us about fish.
Yes. Anybody else? Want to add to that a little bit?
Don't kill fish.
Yeah. What factors would you change to help the fish? What's another way you can help them, in other words?
Don't eat them.
That's a good way.
But I like fish sticks.
All right. Now that we're done with this, tomorrow we're going to be going to the aquarium. But right now, we're going to write a letter to our local fishermen describing some of the ways we can stop people from overfishing. Go ahead.
Day 2.